Hello there. Today, we are going to learn about the cell, which is the basic unit of life. Imagine that you are going on an exciting adventure inside your body to explore the tiny world of cells. Chapter 1. What is a cell? A cell is like a tiny building block that makes up all living things. Just like how bricks build houses, cells build living organisms like plants, animals, and even you. Cells are so small that you need a special microscope to see them. Chapter 2. Parts of a cell. Now, let's learn about the different parts of a cell. 1. Cell membrane. Imagine it as a cell's gatekeeper. It controls what goes in and out of the cell, just like a door. 2. Nucleus. This is the cell's control center, like a brain. It tells the cell what to do and how to grow. 3. Cytoplasm. Think of it as the cell's playground. It's a jelly-like substance where all the important stuff happens. 4. Mitochondria. These are the cell's powerhouses. They provide energy to the cell, just like how food gives you energy to play. Chapter 3. Types of cells. There are different types of cells in your body, each with a special job. 1. Red blood cells. They carry oxygen to all parts of your body, just like tiny delivery trucks. 2. Nerve cells, neurons. These are like messengers that help you feel, touch, and move. 3. Muscle cells. They make your muscles strong so you can run, jump, and play. Chapter 4. How cells work together. Cells are like a big team that works together to keep you healthy and growing. 1. Tissues. Cells join together to form tissues. Just like a team with different players, each tissue has a specific job, like making your skin or bones. 2. Organs. When different tissues work together, they form organs. Your heart, lungs, and brain are examples of organs. 3. Systems. Your body has different systems like the digestive system and respiratory system. Each system has specific organs that work together to keep you healthy. Chapter 5. Keeping cells healthy. To stay healthy, you need to take care of your cells too. 1. Eat nutritious food. Just like you need healthy food to grow, cells need nutrients to stay strong. 2. Stay active. Cells like it when you move and exercise, so go outside and play. 3. Get enough sleep. Rest helps your cells recharge and keeps you energized. Chapter 6. The amazing cell cycle. Cells grow and divide to make new cells. It's like how you grow taller and stronger. 1. Interphase. This is when the cell gets ready for division by growing and getting everything it needs. 2. Mitosis. The cell divides into two new cells. It's like making a copy of itself.